My dear friends, this year comes to the end, and we are excited what the next one will bring us. Well, I hope it will bring new experiences, new friends, a positive kind of thinking. I wish you get more time for important things and that you will be wise to recognize what really important is. Wishing you peace, joy, and all the best this wonderful holiday has to offer. May this incredible time of giving and spending time with your family bring you joy that lasts throughout the year. Today, I would like to thank you personally for your friendship, for watching my videos, for the comments, and especially for the likes. I love you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.